Hey guys, it's me Sabrina from Online Help Guide, and today I'm going to walk you through how to change TikTok profile picture and video. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's jump in. I'm on my profile page on TikTok application. Tap on the Edit Profile button. At the top of your screen, you can find two icons named with Change Photo and Change Video option. To change TikTok profile picture, tap on the Change Photo option and select any one of three options. And to change TikTok video, tap on the Change Video option and then select any one of four options. And this is how you can change TikTok profile picture and video. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.